We're gonna be doing a StenaLine tour. Free hands out. the recline, as I like to call it. No. Let's go on a treasure hunt, right? Perfect by Marc Jacobs.
I don't think Marc Jacobs is gonna be out here, man.
For Marc Jacobs is gonna be out here.
Mark!
Look what I found. A door. It feels like no one even knows that you're filming. Marc Jacobs.
What does it taste like?
It's quite delicious.
It's quite nice.
It's quite nice.
It's quite nice.
Right, you see, we found the Marc Jacobs, so now it's Dan's turn. You can see how I feel.
What up, gamers?
Do you want the proper?
This is way less intimidating.
What's the word when you're like nervous? Nervous.
Am I infinite?
No, you're just you standing in front of a mirror.
This isn't there for a reason, is it?
No.
That is a massive boat!
It's a pretty small boat.
That's an even bigger boat! Oh, we should do Titanic.
Oh, we totally could do Titanic.
Who's Jack, who's Rose?
Do you really have to ask that?
You be Rose. Wait. Don't let go! I hate that so much. Someone coming up behind you.
That was what to do on a StenaLine.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Epic.
Subscribe, like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like
And subscribe.